Hey queens, Ohima here with another video. I noticed you guys really enjoy my hair tutorials, so I decided to bless y'all with a new style. So if you'd like to see the full look, just stick around. Okay, first thing first is parting your hair, of course, but also parting the extension because that is how you will feed in your braid. Here, I'm just showing you guys how I started my braid. And also, quick disclaimer, if you aren't very familiar with how to braid a basic cornrow, this video is going to seem very difficult because a feed-in cornrow is so difficult to explain, but I try my best. And also a little later on in this video, I show you guys how I even put the hair together before starting the braid. The pre-braiding step I was talking about earlier. Basically what you do is get two really small strands of extension, you sit them on top of each other, then you hold both ends like I'm doing here to create two holes. Now listen to this part very carefully because this is where it gets tricky. If you're right-handed, then you're going to wrap the right side of the hair around your middle finger and insert the index finger through the left hole. Here, let me slow it down for you guys. And that is the magic behind starting a feed-in cornrow.
Dumebi, I don't money that is maybe don't go carry that. Maybe wanna miss this yeah. Don't see you, baby. Maybe I don't money that is maybe don't go carry that. Maybe wanna miss this yeah.
JMS on the wave, boy.
Big up with the new fine boy like this, so if I guess you want in there, I go vex. I'ma make I fire you. If you want to get alright, I'ma make I fire you. I'ma need a grande. I'ma make I fire you. If you want to get alright, I'ma make I fire you.